Easy handling. If you are using the BMW Digital Key or BMW Digital Key Plus, you should leave the deactivated key card in the vehicle to hand it over to your service partner for valet parking or in case of a breakdown. And if you are a Digital Key Plus customer, also use it for planned service appointments. Here's how to activate it. With a physical or digital key in the vehicle, place the key card in the wireless charging tray and press Activate Key Card in the pop-up. Or alternatively, go to All Apps, Keys, Digital Key, Key Card, Activate Key Card. That's it. Using the card is simple. Hold the key card to the door handle to unlock or lock the car, and place it in the wireless charging tray to start the car. To deactivate, you need to have a physical or digital key inside the vehicle. Go to Keys and press Deactivate Key Card. Won't get much easier.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?